Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to cancel an order on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Shein guys, this will go ahead and let you enable to log into your account, which after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the shop where you can see all the items you can purchase. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see all the pages you can access, such as shop. Here you can see the categories, you can see new items, your cart, and the me option, which is your profile. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we have placed an order, but now we want to cancel that order because we changed our mind and we don't want to buy the item. So what we have to do guys is first thing to go right here to the me page right here in the bottom right corner, click on me, and this will now open up this new page where you can see your orders, you can see your services, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is to go ahead and open up all of our orders, and we're going to go ahead and do that by clicking the view all option next to my orders. Click on view all guys, and this will take you now to this new page where you can see all of your orders. As you can see, currently have no orders, but guys, if you have ordered something, it's going to go ahead and appear right here. So what you will want to do guys is to go ahead and click on that order, and after clicking on it guys, go ahead and click on the cancel button that will appear under the order. That will enable you to cancel the order. I can currently show you because I have no orders, but if you just follow those steps, you will be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.